Let's implement a stack. Here is the algorithm for push and pop operation of the stack. You can see here is an algorithm for push and here is an algorithm for pop. Our implementation will be based on this algorithm. And here is our implementation for the stack. We created a stack class which have a public function push, pop and display and private variable array and top. Array stores the data in our stack and top is the index which points to the top of the stack. Here we initialize the top to -1. This function is constructor. It is called when we initialize object of the stack. Here's an implementation of push. We check if the top is equal to the size -1, which means that if the top is above the size, then we say top is full, stack is full. So we do not push and we return. This line does the typecasting. Suppose if we want the stack of float, it will cast the 0 to float size. It is not important. We increment the top by 1 as in algorithm, and we ask the user for the value to push. And we store that value in the top position of the array. We have to increment the top value before we run this line. You can see we have incremented the top value here, and we return the value that was pushed by the user. And here is the display function which displays the stack. If top is pointing to -1, then the stack is empty because the index will start from 0. So, and here, if it is empty, it will print this line and it will return. It will not run the code below this line. If top equals to here we look from top to 0 index. So when the top index is 4, it will start from 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. We need to do this because to make the effect of the stack. Because the stack is supposed to store value in the top. I have done some formatting to give look like a stack, give the looks like a stack. Here is the function with that pop. If top is -1, that is, if below 0 means we have not pushed anything to the stack, then the stack is empty and we return. Otherwise, we decrement. We just need to decrement the top by 1. Suppose if the top was 1, we decrement top to 0. This makes our stack top pointing to 0 element of the array. So, and now here we return value that we just popped. Since we decrement top, so we increment we 8 plus 1, and here we initialize the stack and call push pop display function. Now let's run this code. I will be compiling this using G++. Let's enter 1, 2. You can see the last value is in top. stack stacks is a data structure that uses last in first out fashion to store the data. Means the last data will be in the last data we enter will be the first data that will be exit. That is last data is 2. So when we pop, 2 will be popped, not 1. Let's put some more data. Now 5, after 5 stack is full because of size of our stack is 5. Here we set size to 5, so this is displaying successful. Now we displayed the stack. Now we popped. You can see here we popped here. After displaying, we popped, and we again displayed. So if you can you will see 5 is popped from the stack. Now we popped 2 values, and we again displayed the stack. So we pop 2 value and then displayed. You can see 1 and 2 only. 3, 4 and 3 were popped from the stack. Now if we try to pop more element, then it will pop 2 element, last element. In when we try to push last element, this message will be displayed because our stack will be empty. That's it. We are done with the stack. In next video, we will see some cool application of the stack. Stay tuned. Thank you for your time.